If you've ever been waiting for a login code, verification email, OTP, or security code and you just can't find it, this video is going to help you out. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search for a received code in Gmail so you can find the message fast instead of scrolling through your inbox one email at a time. This is especially useful when you're trying to sign into a website or app and need that code right away. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Gmail in your browser by going to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct account where the code was sent. After that, look at the top of the page and click in the Gmail search bar. This search bar is the fastest way to find the message you need. Now type in keywords that are commonly used for received codes. You can search for verification code, security code, OTP, or passcode. If you know the name of the website or app that sent the code, you can add that too. For example, you might search for verification code from PayPal, OTP from Instagram, or security code from Microsoft. That extra detail can help narrow the results even faster. Once you type your search term, press enter or click the search icon. Gmail will instantly show messages that match your search. Look through the results for the email that contains your code, then open it and copy the number or code you need. If you still don't see it, try searching with a different keyword because different services use different terms. You can also search by the sender name if you remember it. Another helpful tip is to check your spam or promotions folder if the message still doesn't appear in the main inbox. Sometimes code emails get filtered and a quick search can still find them there. So the main idea is simple. Open Gmail, use the search bar and try keywords like verification code, security code, OTP, passcode, and the website or app name. That's the fastest way to locate a received code without wasting time. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.